Welcome to my bathroom, where we are going to be exploring this concept of self-massage. It is where I'm going to invite you to exchange your soap for your oil. And this can seem like a foreign concept to a lot of you. So I invite you to take this one small in little bite-sized chunks and to make the adaptation over time. And it's also a big challenge that a lot of people find is that they just don't have the time to do a full in what we call an Ayurveda Abhyanga practice. And I'm going to invite you to do a little bit of a cheat here and there and just slowly start making it part of your daily routine, your daily habit. So for me, Abhyanga, self-massage, is literally my keystone habit. If I don't do this, I can really feel how my day just isn't really in flow. And as soon as I do this, all the other habits happen so much more easily. And I feel like I am easily moving through the day. No matter what challenges arise, I really am able to address them with a little bit more awareness and sanity. So, how to go about it and what to do. My two key tips for you are: one, grab an old towel and make sure that you use that, because when you start playing with oil massage, you are going to get oil everywhere. I generally like to lather up myself with oil, then jump into the shower, just allow it to rinse off, and then I'll use my old towel to pat myself dry. Some people like to give themselves an oil massage after their shower or in the evenings after their bath. Just play around and see what works for you. But the idea is that you are exchanging your soap for oil, and I won't use soap afterwards. The idea is that oil is oleating and it's going to absorb into your skin, and you can play with different oils. There's so much online about the different oils for skin types. So I invite you to go and explore with that. But first of all, really just start playing with this idea of oil. And if you just feel like, Nina, my skin is so oily already, I really don't want more oil on there, start with dry brushing. Grab a dry brush, do that. And if you don't have oil available or a dry brush, literally just start with rubbing your skin before you hop into the shower, giving yourself a little bit more love. Self-love is so great. And last tip for this one, real quick, is on your long bones, nice long strokes up and down, and on your joints, so your elbows, your shoulders, that's where you just want to do circular movements. So that is what I invite you to play with this week. Playing with self-massage, giving yourself a good oleation, a good rub up, and your skin is really going to love you for that. And I look forward to catching you in the next video, where we're going to be chatting all about meditation. See you then.